Hi guys, I'm Ronak. John Cena finally embraced the hate at the end of 2025 WWE Elimination Chamber PLE. The C Nation leader broke up with the fans and has put himself above anyone else. Moreover, he is set to headline his last WrestleMania as an in-ring competitor. John Cena will challenge Cody Rhodes for the undisputed WWE Championship at WrestleMania 41 Night 2. With the tensions building and the road to WrestleMania pay-per-view nearing its destination, so in this video, I'll mention 5 things that can make John Cena's WWE World Championship match more electrifying. So let's get started without wasting any time. Ever since Stone Cold Steve Austin dropped a hint about a potential WrestleMania appearance, there have been major speculation about his involvement in the Cena vs Cody match. This came after John Cena sold his soul to The Rock at Elimination Chamber pay-per-view. Moreover, it would make his match more exciting if Stone Cold Steve Austin comes face-to-face with his iconic WWE rival The Rock, which could be a game changer for WrestleMania main event match. Stone Cold Steve Austin and John Cena have had brief encounters in WWE. The WWE universe would be blown if the witnessed two of the biggest WWE stars throw punches at each other at WrestleMania 41 pay-per-view. The 16-time world champion could get a couple of stunners from Steve Austin that would surely get a loud pop from the audience in Las Vegas. The Rock corrupted John Cena to sell out, but at WrestleMania 41 pay-per-view, the WWE fans could witness a huge double turn. Make like Steve Austin and Vince McMahon joined forces at WrestleMania 17 pay-per-view. The Rock could help Cody Rhodes beat John Cena at the show. This could tempt Cody Rhodes more, and he could finally give in to the final boss in a major, shocking ending to main event of the shows of shows. The finish to last year's Cody Rhodes vs Roman Reigns was a highly dramatic affair that saw major stakes like The Rock, John Cena and The Undertaker garner major reactions. A similar finish could be reacted this year with a possible Rock and Steve Austin face-off, inclusion of top stars and a chaotic ending that would etch this match in the history books of WWE. The one major reason that would make John Cena's last WrestleMania pay-per-view in-ring appearance is winning his record-breaking 17th World Championship. This has been central focus ever since he began his farewell tour. Moreover, after John Cena turning heel, him beating Cody Rhodes for the title would garner the loudest boos of all time while creating a historic moment at the same time at WrestleMania 41 PLE. Guys, John Cena is set to headline his last WrestleMania pay-per-view, which has a lot of possibilities of becoming a major blockbuster. So what's your expectation? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, then leave a like, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. Thanks for watching this one. Check out other videos, share this video with your friends, relatives and families. I'll be with a new interesting video. Thanks for watching this and see ya.